The mint is an Arctic blast, and these cheesecake brownies are gourmet all the way. Hey Marina, what you doing down there? Eating a cheesecake brownie and watching Aquaman and the Lost Kingdom? Hey, Jessie would like these, but she got her driver's permit. The eggs and cream cheese need to be at room temperature. Right, we remembered this time. Whoa. The safest and fastest way is to plop them in warm water, as warm as your dishwater, or you'll cook them. They'll be ready in like 10 minutes. Take 4.4 ounces, or you can get away with 4 ounces, of chocolate, 3 tablespoons of butter, and melt these over hot water. This is called a double boiler, or a bain-marie in Europe. It only takes like 5 minutes. Now, cream together 4 ounces of cream cheese and 2 tablespoons of butter. Man, Jessie Cheesecake would love these, but she's on an adventure with Captain Bread Hook, 'cause she got her driver's permit. Well. Look who's back for another round of fun! Mother of pearl! Did you really think you could sneak in and out without a play date? I live for play! Beat in an egg, 1/4 cup of sugar, scrape down your bowl and make sure you get every last bit mixed in there, every morsel. Tablespoon of flour, teaspoon of vanilla extract, pour it into another bowl, and you don't need to wash out the mixer bowl. Ha! Look, Bungledorf, we'd rather stay and play tea party, but we've got a ship to fix. Aww, but I missed you guys, and I brought new toys. Beat 2 eggs until they're light and thicker. Oops, the pan, 8-inch square. We make a sling out of parchment paper so you can lift the baked brownies right out to cut them. We like to lift them out so we don't scratch the pan, and lift them out when they're cool so they don't mush together. Oh, heck no! Woo! Snack time! Candy, candy, candy! Mine, mine, mine! Woohoo! Well, crud muffins. Got what we came for! Time to skedaddle! Way ahead of you! Gradually add in a cup of sugar like you're making a meringue. It gives the sugar crystals time to dissolve. 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1/2 cup of flour, your cool chocolate mixture, which is really just a simple ganache, 1 tablespoon of milk, 1/2 cup of chopped pecans or walnuts, and 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract. Now here's the fun part. Spread your chocolate layer, then your cheesecake layer. Swirl it all around to get some of your chocolate up to the top. We used a skewer to make like a feathering type of decoration. Kind of fancy, huh? And bake for 35 to 40 minutes. Oh, no, you don't! Nobody escapes the Bungledorf fun zone! What in the galaxy is she launching at us now? Move! 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 And on on to the mint brownies from Antarctica. Cream together half a cup of butter, 1 cup of sugar until it's nice and fluffy. Beat in 4 eggs, 1 at a time. It's always a safe bet to scrape down the bowl after each egg. And the last egg. Teaspoon of vanilla extract. It enhances the chocolate flavor. And a whole bottle of chocolate syrup. Yep, pour that whole puppy in there. All 24 ounces. 1 cup of flour, half a teaspoon of kosher salt, and Big Val grabbed the half teaspoon earlier, so we're adding in the rest of the vanilla here. Pour that into your pan with a sling, 9 by 13, and bake for 25 to 30 minutes. Let that cool all the way. The mint filling is really simple. 2 cups of powdered sugar, half cup of melted butter, half teaspoon of peppermint extract, and 2 drops of green food gel. And by the way, we always use unsalted butter in everything. Top this off with a simple ganache. We recommend semi-sweet chocolate. 6 tablespoons of butter, melted over a double boiler. And while this is still warm, spread it over top. We didn't do any fancy feathering because we wanted it to look like those cute little mints you get on your pillow at superstar hotels. And hit it, Captain! Launch! Woo-hoo! This isn't over yet, Captain Preheat! Next time you're playing Duck, Duck, Goose! I'll be sure to pencil it in. If I never see another rubber ducky again, it'll be too soon. Dad blessed it.